Hi guys, welcome back to next video. Happy Sunday guys. So guys, in today's video I'm making some Jamaican curry goat with some rice and peas. So guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome, and if you are long time watcher, long time subscriber, thank you for coming back. So guys, this is my curry goat. This is 3 pounds and I pay like $24 for it in a Colorado. And yeah, I mean, I think it's the same price in North Carolina. So yes, so what I'm doing now, I'm just rinsing off my mutton. They call it goat here in America, goat, but mutton. So me I wash off a little bloody part before me soak it in the vinegar and my lemon water. Cause you know me have to soak my meat in the lemon water to take off all of the rawness and cut off all of the blood from the meat. Alright guys, so me I wash it and I will soak it for about 10 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so yeah. So guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna season up my mutton, and I'm not using a whole lot of season. I'm just using some curry, black pepper, all-purpose, and salt. And what I'm gonna put in there next is some dry oregano. That's all I'm gonna put in my mutton. Put on my mutton, and this guys, I'm not gonna stop seasoning it until it get to the taste that I want. Because when you're cooking the meat, when I cook in my meat, I like when my meat have flavor. I don't want it to be fresh. I just like when it have flavor. Even though I'm not eating this, I don't eat meat again. I'm just preparing this for my husband and my daughter. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna season to my taste. Alright guys, so yeah, enjoy. So what I'm doing now guys, I'm just rinsing, washing my teeth and just take out all of the bad things them out of it. And yeah, I'm not gonna soak it, I'm just gonna put it on with my tomato and my garlic. Yeah, I'm just put it on, I'm gonna pressure it in my pressure cooker for about 40 minutes. Yeah, and then just gonna, yes guys, I have a new recipe, cabbage recipe guys. I don't know if you ever have curry cabbage. Oh my god, guys, you have to try it. I'm gonna make a curry cabbage recipe, I guess, on the next video. I'm gonna make it this week, so I'm gonna put it up this week, so look out for it, guys. And yeah, comment and tell me if you want to see it. Okay guys, I'm excited to show you all my ingredients that I use to make my curry cabbage. It tastes so good, man. I tell you, it tastes so good, guys. So yeah, man, so I'm just pressuring my peas. Yeah, so enjoy this video, guys. I'm not gonna talk much, just enjoy, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. I'm not feeling well today, guys. I have on my mask in the house because I wasn't feeling well at all. Yeah, but I'm doing a little bit. I'm doing a little better now, so yeah. And guys, let me tell you this. So me I gonna burn my curry. This is the pot where I cook the money in. So me I gonna burn the curry, and guys, me put in the thyme, the pimento, the garlic, and the piece of ginger. It smells so good. It make the house smell good, and then me I gonna put the curry in it. That gonna even smell even better. Yeah man, it smells so good, man. Try it. When I try it, just comment and tell me how it was, alright? Come and know in the house, but smell good. Better lock your door, cause your neighbor I come for some food. If you don't want to give your neighbor no food, trust me. But you need to be kind, you know? Be kind. Be kind to your neighbor, alright? Yes guys. Look up on yourself, and yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And thank you, for watching. God bless. Caesar greetings and bye.